Chinese hair is very thick. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joyce Hair, and today's video let me show you some raw hair frontals. These are the Chinese raw hair bundles with 14 inches, and this is also raw hair bundles. This is all natural state of Chinese hair. They are all like this type of bone straight. And this is the frontals, 13 by 4 inches. This is 13 inches width and 4 inches depth. And this hair is pretty full and thick, and this is a great luster as well. These are all cuticle aligned hair. You can see the color are getting a bit lighter at the end of the hair. So this is obviously all cuticle aligned, and also there is no any type of chemical processing for this hair. So all the hair are 100% cuticle intact, so you can use it for a very long time. Some hair you may find before washing and after washing is getting very different, but for this our Chinese raw hair, before washing, after washing, it will be all the same, and it will be all the same. There's no difference. And this is also another Chinese closure, 13 by 4 inches. Chinese hair is very thick in every strand, and because it's all ponytail hair, it's not like non-rami hair, so all the hair are very healthy and very thick in every strand. This hair can lift to any color very well, 613 or 60. After you bleach, it comes to any color very beautiful, and that's a good point of this hair. So if you're looking for a great quality and last long time hair, and you can choose this hair. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.